Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21. Please come join me in this beautiful house tour. Welcome to Highland Grove, a gated community nestled in the heart of Riverside, California. This is a beautiful 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house with a 2-car garage and a loft. As we step into this Pulte Homes model home adorned with optional builder upgrades, prepare to be captivated. This single-story house measures approximately 3,699 square feet, boasting a seamless open floor plan that merges sophistication with functionality. The expansive great room serves as a focal point for hosting and entertaining guests, creating an inviting atmosphere that effortlessly brings people together. With its seamless flow and spacious layout, it ensures unforgettable gatherings and cherished moments for all who enter. Every corner of this home exudes luxury and comfort, meticulously designed to cater to your every need. There is direct access to the 2-car garage, however it was locked during our tour. Additionally, a coat closet further enhances the functionality and organization of this impeccable residence. It also has a mudroom that offers a practical transition space, keeping your home clean and organized by providing a designated area for removing and storing outdoor gear and footwear. The kitchen boasts a spacious walk-in pantry, offering ample storage solutions that are practical as they are convenient, enhancing the functionality of this culinary haven. Adorned with exquisite countertops complemented by a matching backsplash, this kitchen exudes elegance and style. A single basin sink, strategically positioned to offer a delightful view of the backyard, is accompanied by a dishwasher for added convenience. Adding to its allure, stainless steel appliances, which include a double oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, elevate both form and function, ensuring a culinary experience that exceeds expectations. The center island of the kitchen boasts a convenient breakfast bar, ideal for casual dining or grabbing a quick bite to eat on busy mornings. Pendant lighting above adds a touch of ambiance, while extra storage space below ensures that everything you need is within reach, combining style and practicality seamlessly. The dining area is illuminated by natural light streaming through a sliding glass door, creating a bright and airy ambiance that enhances the dining experience, making every mealtime a delightful affair. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Additionally, a dedicated desk area offers a perfect space for studying, managing bills, or organizing your favorite recipes, ensuring functionality and efficiency in your daily activities. The first bedroom downstairs features windows and plush carpeting, providing comfort and natural light. The builder offers the option to convert the space into a convenient 3rd-car garage if desired. Moreover, it includes a private full bathroom complete with cabinets, a sink, a toilet, a shower in the bathtub, along with a spacious walk-in closet, offering both functionality and comfort for residents. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, I'd be honored to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can support you in achieving your real estate goals. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any future videos. The great room features a stylish lighting fixture and a designated wall perfect for mounting your TV, creating a cozy and functional entertainment space. Positioned adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it offers seamless connectivity, making it the ideal hub for gatherings and relaxation. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes similar to this one, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. The Flex Room offers versatility, serving as a space that can adapt to your lifestyle needs. Whether you envision it as a separate living room, a home office, a serene piano room, a lively game room, or anything else your heart desires, this flexible area awaits your creative touch, promising endless possibilities for customization and enjoyment. The guest bathroom is equipped with essential amenities, including cabinets for storage, a sink with a mirror above, a toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. This well-appointed space ensures comfort and convenience for your guests, offering everything they need for a refreshing and relaxing experience. The second bedroom downstairs features windows that invite natural light, a spacious closet for storage, and carpeting for added comfort. This well-appointed space provides a cozy retreat for guests or family members, offering both privacy and convenience on the lower level of the home. In the hallway, a coat closet awaits, providing convenient storage for outerwear and accessories. Additionally, there is an extra area designated for additional storage, ensuring functionality and organization throughout the home. Isn't this home exquisite? And its size is truly remarkable. But wait, there's more to explore. Let's continue our journey and venture upstairs to discover even more of this captivating residence. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate it if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Upstairs, you'll find a luxurious guest bathroom featuring dual sinks, cabinets, and a sizable mirror. Additionally, it offers added convenience with a separate door for the toilet area, ensuring privacy. The bathtub includes a shower, completing this elegant and functional space for guest comfort and enjoyment. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The third bedroom upstairs boasts ample natural light through a window and is further illuminated by both a central lighting fixture and recessed lighting. With carpeting underfoot, this cozy retreat offers comfort and style. Additionally, it features a spacious walk-in closet, providing ample storage space for personal belongings. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. This home incorporates green features, including dual-pane, energy-efficient low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed lighting, promoting energy efficiency and sustainability. The fourth bedroom upstairs is bathed in natural light through its windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced by a stylish lighting fixture, this room exudes warmth and charm. With plush carpeting adding comfort underfoot, it offers a cozy sanctuary. Furthermore, it features a convenient walk-in closet providing lots of storage space. The fifth bedroom upstairs features windows, complemented by both a lighting fixture and recessed lighting, creating a bright and welcoming ambiance. With carpeting adding comfort, this room offers a nice retreat. Additionally, it includes a closet, providing convenient storage space for personal items. A spacious storage room is available upstairs, providing abundant space to stow away extra items such as linens, supplies, and a vacuum cleaner. This dedicated storage area ensures that everything has its place, keeping the home organized and clutter-free. The expansive laundry room is equipped with washer and dryer hookups, a convenient sink, and cabinets both above and below for storing your supplies. Additionally, a counter space is available, providing an ideal surface for folding clothes with ease. Now let's explore the spacious loft, featuring a sizable window, recessed lighting, and a ceiling fan, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. With its versatile layout, it serves as an ideal space for relaxation, studying, hosting game nights, or even memorable slumber parties. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet offering convenient storage space for linens and other essentials, ensuring easy access and organization throughout the home. The sixth bedroom is illuminated by a window and a light fixture, providing ample natural and artificial light. Adorned with comfortable carpeting, it offers a cozy atmosphere. The sixth bedroom also boasts an ensuite private bathroom, complete with a sink, cabinets, a toilet, and a shower in the bathtub, providing added convenience and privacy for its occupants. Additionally, it features a convenient walk-in closet, providing ample storage space for personal belongings. The owner's suite exudes elegance and tranquility, featuring several windows that allow natural light to flood the space. Enhanced by a stylish light fixture, the room is carpeted, providing a welcoming atmosphere. Enjoy views of the side and backyard, adding to the serene ambiance of this luxurious retreat. The ensuite primary bathroom is like an oasis. It is spacious and luxurious. It boasts a generously sized shower featuring both overhead and side shower heads, providing a rejuvenating experience reminiscent of a spa-like escape. You will also find a private water closet featuring a toilet for added privacy. The primary suite features a large walk-in closet, offering ample space to accommodate both winter and summer clothes, ensuring organization and convenience throughout the seasons. Additionally, it is equipped with recessed lighting, cabinets, and dual sinks, enhancing functionality and elegance within the ensuite bathroom. The owner's suite is a spacious and luxurious retreat, providing ample room for relaxation and rejuvenation. Its elegant design creates a beautiful and inviting atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. In addition, the community is governed by a homeowners association, ensuring well-maintained amenities and shared spaces. Conveniently located near shopping centers and major freeways, residents enjoy easy access to everyday essentials and transportation routes. Located in the prestigious Highland Grove community, this residence epitomizes luxury living at its finest. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, modern amenities, and prime location, this home is more than just a dwelling. It's a testament to refined living. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home. A place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Welcome home to Highland Grove, where dreams become reality. Wasn't that home lovely? Absolutely loved the kitchen. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about selling your home or buying one, either new or pre-owned, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.